So yes, welcome to my unboxing and impressions video of my new iPhone. So it's actually one of the iPhone 17 models. But before you actually watch or continue this video, I highly suggest you watch this video I did 2 months ago about me wanting an upgrade for my iPhone 11. That video has most of the details, and that is really going to give you some insights into the final choice I made when deciding on which phone to upgrade to from my iPhone 11. Okay, so enough talk, let's just unbox it. I got myself the iPhone 17 and I got it in the sage color. Yes, I'm not going to tell you why I chose this. I'm going to give you the reasons in my full review, which is coming very soon, and let's just unbox it. Okay, so this is somewhat my very first unboxing of an iPhone. This is actually my second, but this is like officially first in a certain way. And I got the sage. I think this is actually the best color in the entire iPhone 17 lineup. From the pros down to the base model, the sage looks really good and very premium in my opinion. Now the definition for premium is actually quite confusing because the pro models are actually made out of aluminium and not titanium. So now the pro term actually goes for the iPhone Air instead. So as usual, we get our phone, we get our cable, which is our braided USB cable. Let me get it out. Okay. Wow. Okay. Get a USB cable, see that, and a SIM ejector tool. A SIM ejector tool here, and finally some paperwork. Okay, yep, some paperwork, and that's it. Conventional unboxing these days, we don't get a break, we don't get anything else. It's the same across all board. I mean, Pixel does the same thing, Samsung does the same thing, and Apple obviously does the same thing. So, enjoy some B-rolls of my iPhone 17 in sage. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for the full review of this. I'll see you guys another time.